Blackjack is a simple, yet very exciting and challenging game that's not for the weak-hearted. In this game you don't play against other players, but against the dealer. Your odds of winning at blackjack are 48%, more than with any other casino game. At the very beginning of the game, players and the dealer receive two cards. The dealer puts one of his cards face down, and it's called a hole card. However, players have to place both of their cards face up. The objective of the game is to get the score closest to 21. Exceeding 21 is called busting. And the best possible scenario is to hit blackjack, score of exactly 21. The cards evaluation system in blackjack is quite simple. Cards 2 through 10 are worth their face value. Every face card values 10. And the ace is the most valuable card in blackjack, as it can be worth 1 or 11. Now, when you receive your two cards, you have several options. Each round, you have the right to receive one more card or to reject getting it. The term hit is used for asking for one more card. When you want to stop receiving more cards, you use the word stand. This means you won't get new cards any further. There are three more things you can do: split, double down, and, sometimes, surrender. You can split when you have two identical cards, or, in some casinos, when you have two cards of the same value. You'll have higher chances of winning if you play two hands at the same time. Double down is a perfect option when you're certain you'll win. That way you will double your bet. But afterward, you get to receive only one more card. When you surrender, you lose half of your bet and finish the hand. But note that not every casino offers this option. Every blackjack player should know the basic strategy chart. You can easily find it on Google. It's the chart that shows what's the best thing to do in a variety of possible situations. However, learning it can be quite overwhelming. So, in the beginning, it may be best to go with the flow. Soon you will know that there are some very logical moves to take in certain situations. For example, if your current total is 12 or lower, you should hit. And in case you have 17 or more, it may be better to avoid the risk of busting and stand. No matter how simple the rules are, learning how to play blackjack takes time. It's not just a simple matter of making the most logical decision at the given moment. You may want to start by playing free online blackjack. That way you'll be able to learn how to play it. Remember that practice makes it perfect. Play responsibly.